So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great, and today's video I'm going to talk about how you can reduce the mesh and how you can remesh your model under 2 minutes using the blender. So without any further delay, now let's get started tutorial. So right now on my screen you can see guys, we have a two model and both models are looking exactly same. Here you can see the pimple of that model will exactly looking the same of this model because that is a duplicate of this model. The big difference between of both of them, this is the high poly and this is the low poly. I know that you won't gonna believe me, but I'm gonna show you. Here you can see when I'm just gonna turn on my wireframe. So here you can see this is a super high poly mesh and this is exactly same mesh in a low poly, and there is a no difference between any kind of shapes and anything. But here you can see we have a very low poly mesh and here we have a very high poly mesh. How we can reduce the mesh without losing the quality, so I'm going to show you basically. So first of all, what you have to do basically, you have to select your model, then you have to just go to your modifier section, and here you have to just add one modifier. It's called basically Decimate. When you add the Decimate, you will get three kinds of options here. So you have to just click the unsubdivide options. Okay, but make sure before using this add-on, your geometry should have totally quad. If you have a triangle mesh, that might be possible you're gonna lose your shape, but if you have a quad mesh in your model, so you will not gonna lose your shape, but you will definitely lose your mesh. So you have to just click the unsubdivide, and after that you have to just add some value here. So make sure you have to just add here even value, not a odd value, because if you're gonna add the odd value, for example I'm gonna add the 1, so here you will get the triangle, something like that. But if you're gonna add the even value, so you will get exactly the quad. So I'm gonna just add the 4, and now here you can see this is looking super low poly without losing the shape of this mesh. Here you can see this is the before, this is the after. That look awesome. I'm gonna do it with other cloths also. Here you can see I'm gonna just add same this modifier into this part. I'm gonna add the decimate, unsubdivide, and 4. Here you can see guys, that's look awesome. Same thing we will do with this. I'm gonna just add the decimate modifier and I'll just do subdivide in a 4 time. Here we go. It will take a little bit time because that is a very high mesh. Same thing I will do with this. Basically I'm gonna just delete this. I will just add the decimate, do unsubdivide, add the value of 4. Here we go. And same thing as I told you before, if you have a quad mesh, so that might be possible you're gonna lose your details. And here you can see the example. If I'm just gonna add the decimate, I'll just do subdivide. So here you can see you have lose little bit texture and little bit detail of your model, by the way, but apart from that, that is look cool. Okay, now what I'm gonna do basically, here you can see we have like rise as well. Here you can see we have already applied here and everything is look good to go. Here we have already applied, no we haven't applied yet. I'm just gonna add decimate, do unsubdivide, and add 4 value. Now you have to just select other hairs of yours, then you're gonna just do Control L, do copy modifier, and here we go. That's look awesome. And same thing we will do with the eyebrow as well. I'm gonna just do Control C, Control L, and copy modify. Now here we go guys. Here you can see that's how you can like decrease your model mesh without losing the detail, and that's look awesome, by the way. Same thing we will do with this also. Control L, copy modifier. Same thing we'll do the behind one. Control L, copy modifier. Here we go. Same thing we'll do with this part. Let me see which part I'm gonna selecting. Yeah, this one. Then I will just do Control L, copy modifier. Here we go. So that's how you can like decrease the mesh of your model without losing the detailing. So this is very easy and cool trick, so I thought I should share with you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And alright guys, so thanks for watching this video guys. If you learned something from this video, please hit the like button, the share button, and subscribe my channel. Also, if you have any queries, if you have suggestion, please let me in the comment box. I'll definitely reply comment. So bye bye, take care and stay home guys, and love you all.